Welcome back to AgroWorks USA, the channel where we explore the fascinating industries behind our food. With an annual output of over 5.5 million tons, tilapia is quietly surpassing salmon and tuna to become the world's most consumed fish. And in China, where nearly 70% of global production happens, this isn't just traditional fish farming. It's a technological revolution beneath the surface. Billions of tilapia are now raised under the watchful eyes of artificial intelligence. From environmental sensors to machine learning algorithms, advanced systems are feeding fish, managing water quality, and optimizing every detail of their growth. In this video, we'll dive into China's booming tilapia industry, from high-tech breeding and grow-out systems to factory-scale harvesting and export. Along the way, we'll uncover how this humble fish became a global powerhouse, and whether this model can sustainably feed the world. If you enjoy stories that reveal the hidden science behind your food, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AgroWorks USA, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Tilapia farming in China begins with precision breeding. Scientists use gene editing and selective crossbreeding to create broodstock that grow 1.8 times faster and resist disease better than traditional strains. These genetically superior fish lay thousands of eggs, which are fertilized externally. In a unique twist of nature, the female tilapia carries the fertilized eggs in her mouth to protect them, a behavior known as mouth brooding. Once hatched, the larvae are moved into nursery tanks, where water quality is carefully controlled using automated systems. Parameters like pH, oxygen, and temperature are continuously monitored to ensure optimal growth conditions. Aerators and biofilters help maintain water clarity and oxygenation. Nutrition during this phase is critical. The fry are fed high-protein microdiets multiple times a day. Feeding schedules and amounts are adjusted in real time with the help of smart sensors and AI, which analyze fish behavior to prevent overfeeding and minimize waste. By the time they are a month old, the fingerlings are ready for the next stage. Transfer to larger grow-out ponds or high-tech RAS systems. These innovations lay the groundwork for China's dominance in the global tilapia industry. In China's commercial tilapia farms, two primary models dominate: traditional earthen ponds in rural areas and advanced recirculating aquaculture systems, RAS, in industrial zones. While small-scale farmers rely on natural water sources and extensive pond space, large-scale operators are transforming the industry with high-tech precision farming. In modern farms, RAS technology recycles up to 85% of water, allowing for high-density farming, up to 4 times more fish per cubic meter than traditional methods. These closed-loop systems use biological filters to remove waste and maintain ideal water conditions, dramatically reducing environmental impact and water use. AI plays a central role in optimizing operations. Smart cameras and sensors track fish behavior, water quality, and feeding patterns in real time. Machine learning algorithms adjust feed amounts, detect early signs of disease, and minimize antibiotic use by up to 30%. Aerators and oxygen injectors ensure a stable aquatic environment, even at high stocking densities. These integrated systems not only improve productivity, but also allow farms to meet strict export standards from markets like the US and EU. With automation and intelligent management, China's commercial tilapia farming is redefining what's possible in modern aquaculture. Do you think every fish farm in the future will rely on AI and automation? Would you be excited to raise tilapia using cutting-edge technology? Type 1 if you agree, or share your perspective in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from AgroWorks USA. Maintaining a balanced environment is vital for healthy tilapia growth, especially when raising fish in high-density systems. In both traditional ponds and high-tech farms, managing nutrition, water quality, and hygiene are daily priorities that directly impact survival rates and meat quality. Feeding is carefully planned using nutritionally balanced pellet feeds, rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals to promote fast, uniform growth. AI-assisted systems can automatically adjust feeding schedules and quantities based on real-time monitoring of fish behavior and health indicators, minimizing overfeeding and waste. Water quality is continuously monitored for pH, temperature, ammonia, and dissolved oxygen. Lime powder is often used in ponds to stabilize pH levels and inhibit harmful bacterial growth. In advanced RAS systems, biofiltration units and oxygen injectors keep conditions optimal and consistent, reducing fish stress and mortality. Hygiene protocols are also enforced throughout the production cycle. Equipment is regularly disinfected, and dead or sick fish are promptly removed to prevent disease spread. In many farms, biocontrol measures are adopted to reduce chemical use, including probiotics and natural antibacterial agents. Together, these practices create a stable, healthy environment that supports efficient and sustainable tilapia farming. Harvesting tilapia usually occurs after 6 to 9 months, once the fish reach market size, typically 500 to 800 grams. Timing is key. To ensure freshness, farmers coordinate closely with transport and processing teams. On small farms, tilapia are netted manually, a labor-intensive process requiring skill and precision. Meanwhile, large-scale farms use advanced harvesters capable of collecting up to 12,000 kilograms of fish per hour. These systems use gentle suction to reduce stress and avoid damaging the fish. Once collected, the tilapia are moved into oxygenated tanks or transport trucks. Temperature and oxygen levels are monitored in real time to preserve quality during the journey to processing plants. Larger operations often align harvest timing with factory availability to avoid storage delays. Some even use digital systems to track harvest data for better traceability and quality control. This phase is the result of months of investment, where precision and efficiency determine the final product's value, ensuring that each fish reaches the market in its best condition. Do you think harvesting tilapia is more challenging than it looks? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and join the conversation. At the processing plant, tilapia undergo a carefully orchestrated transformation from live fish to market-ready product. Upon arrival, they are offloaded into controlled holding tanks that maintain optimal temperature and oxygen levels to preserve freshness. The processing line begins with stunning and bleeding to ensure humane handling and meat quality. Workers or automated systems then scale and eviscerate the fish, followed by meticulous filleting. In high-capacity plants, machines can process up to 5,000 fish per hour, with precision cutting systems ensuring uniform fillet size and weight. Fillets are then passed through inspection stages to detect bones and defects. often using X-ray scanners and visual quality control. Next, the fish is quickly chilled or flash frozen to preserve texture and flavor. Depending on the market, tilapia may be vacuum-packed, portioned, or individually quick-frozen, IQF for export. Blockchain traceability systems are increasingly adopted to track each batch from farm to table, boosting consumer trust, especially in Western markets. Hygiene protocols are rigorously enforced throughout the facility to meet global food safety standards, ensuring the final product is both safe and premium quality. With a global market worth over $10.2 billion, tilapia has become one of the most traded and consumed fish worldwide. China leads the industry, accounting for nearly 70% of global exports, with key markets including North America, Europe, and Asia. Thanks to its mild flavor, high protein, and low fat, tilapia appeals to a wide range of consumers, from traditional Asian dishes like steamed fish with lemongrass to Western favorites like grilled fillets and fish tacos. Its versatility shines. Consumer confidence is also rising due to traceability technologies and sustainability practices. While once considered low-cost, premium tilapia products like antibiotic-free or organic options are now appearing in high-end markets. Tilapia's success isn't just culinary, it's economic. It supports rural livelihoods, fuels export economies, and plays a growing role in global food security. As demand increases, tilapia is becoming a staple not only in everyday meals, but also on upscale restaurant menus around the world. Do you see tilapia gaining a foothold in the premium seafood market? Have you ever had a memorable experience with a tilapia dish? Share your stories with us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to AgriWorks USA for more insights into the future of sustainable agriculture. Tilapia farming, when managed responsibly, can be one of the most environmentally friendly forms of aquaculture. Unlike carnivorous fish, tilapia feed primarily on plants and algae, reducing the need for wild-caught fish meal and lowering pressure on marine ecosystems. Modern systems like RAS, recirculating aquaculture systems, and IPRS, in-pond raceway systems, help conserve water, cutting usage by up to 85%, and limit waste discharge into natural waterways. These closed-loop models also make it easier to control disease, reduce antibiotic use, and avoid harmful chemical runoff. However, large-scale tilapia farming still raises concerns around water pollution, habitat encroachment, and energy use. Without proper waste management and planning, environmental degradation remains a real risk. To ensure long-term sustainability, many farms are adopting certified eco-labels, blockchain traceability, and low-impact farming practices. With the right policies, investment, and monitoring, tilapia can continue to grow as a key protein source, while also supporting cleaner waters and greener food systems. From genetic selection to high-tech harvesting lines, tilapia farming has transformed into a global powerhouse, feeding millions and driving innovation in aquaculture. But beyond the numbers lies a deeper story of how one humble fish has shaped economies, food culture, and sustainability conversations around the world. What surprised you most about the journey of tilapia, from hatchery to your plate? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to follow AgriWorks USA for more behind-the-scenes stories from the world of modern farming and food. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.